Life is not perfect, but we make sure our brows are on fleek. Presenting you newly launched Arc Rival Micro Brow Pencil that claims to give microblade worthy flawless looking brows. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I would like to elaborate everything about newly launched Arc Rival Micro Brow Pencil by Sugar. I would tell you about the product packaging, what product claims, and how to use this product, and finally my review. So without wasting your time, let's dive into the video. Let's first talk about the packaging of the product. I received this product in this kind of packaging, which I liked a lot. It was really mesmerizing. First variant is Arc Rival Micro Pro Pencil Jerry Brown, and the second variant is the Top Tom 02. These are the two variants which I received by the brand, and I will show you the inner packaging of the product. This is the inner packaging of the product. It is very sleek in shape, which I really liked. Let me show you the pencil. This is a pencil which you get. You have to rotate the pencil to get the product. This is how much you get in this pencil, which is quite a lot because you have to draw it very less to get the proper pigmentation. And on the other side, it comes with a brush, spoolie kind of, which helpful in shaping your brows. It has a very soft bristles and which works really fine on your brows. First color, that is a Jerry Brown. And the second color is the 02 Top Tom. Jerry Brown is totally brown in color and the Top Tom is a kind of grayish in tone. So these are two colors you can choose according to your choice. I like this color a lot, that is 01 Jerry Brown. It suits my brows more as compared to the Top Tom. This was the just packaging, which is very simple and convenient, and it is very sleek in shape, which I really liked. Now let's talk about what product claims. The first claim is that it is very lightweight, and yes, it is really lightweight. You don't even feel like you are holding something in your hands. It is really very lightweight. And second one is the pigmentation. It is quite pigmented. They say that it is waterproof formula. Let's see it is waterproof or not. I'm spraying the water on it. Wow. Look at this. Let's have one more swipe. It is waterproof. Yes. Obviously, if I will just swipe it up, it will remove some of the product, but not much. 70 to 80% it is a kind of waterproof formula, but you have to take care of the things when you are just removing or drying the water from your eyebrows, because you don't have to swipe it, you just have to dab it, right? Another claim is that it lasts for long. Obviously, if it is a waterproof, it will last for long. They also claim that it is beginners friendly, but that I will tell you in my review that it is beginners friendly or not. The next claim is that it is easily removed when using makeup remover. Let's find out. Taking some of the makeup remover. Wow, yes, it is removed by makeup remover easily. It also claims that it creates unnatural brows, which I will tell you in my final review. So let's dive into the final review. Now let me elaborate how to use this product. Use the comb to brush your brows up, leaving the front few hair a bit for a more natural look. Start by defining the brow shape using the tip of the brow definer. Comb brow hairs upwards, then outline the bottom of the brow from arc to tail. Brush the hair downward and outline the top of the brow from arc to tail with the pencil tip. I'm using Top Tom on the back of my brows and Jerry Brown on the front part of my brows, so it will give a more natural look to my brows. And this is how I achieved my eyebrows. You can see it has given a natural kind of look to my brows, and the claim of the company is totally right. If I talk about the precision of the work, it gives precision work because the tip of the brow pencil is really fine. It is really thin and it is really sharp, and it gives you very flawless finish. You can give this kind of strokes with the help of this pencil. Now if you see this, you will feel like it is here, but it is not. These are the strokes which I created with the help of this tip, which is really convenient to use. Those who never made their brows before, they can definitely start with the help of this pencil because it is beginners friendly. They can use it very easily. According to my personal experience, I'm liking this product a lot, especially Jerry Brown color, personal favorite. Second color is also good, but I like Jerry Brown a lot, and the formulation is really good. It is really soft, it glides on your brows, but take care when you are applying this product because it is really smooth in texture. It has no clumpiness. I'm using this product for 7 to 10 days, and Seriously, it didn't disappoint me. It is go-to product. You can keep it in your bag and you can keep it in your pocket as well. It is really tiny. It is really sleek in shape. It will retail you around $4.99 and the shelf life of the product is 2 years, which is quite fine. 2 साल तक तो वैसे भी product खत्म हो जाता है. You can try your hands on this product without a single thought. So this is my review, guys. I hope you like it and I'll meet you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.